Hello everyone, welcome to our new episode in our TOBBCAST channel. Today we are going to be recommending the series that has improved us learning English in our path of learning this language. So I am with Zeynep and Sevinay today. Welcome guys.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Sevinay. This is my first video of TOBBCAST. Actually, I'm really nervous. Like my hands are shaking. Yeah.
Yeah, but there's no reason to get excited.
Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna have fun. I believe that we are gonna have fun.
I hope so.
Okay, so since it's your first time here, why don't we start with your favorite TV show, Brooklyn Nine-Nine? I want to ask you why exactly you love this show that much and why it's your favorite.
Yeah, it's my first sitcom, so it's very special for me, you know. And when I was a child, I don't love jokes about the racism or sexism and women rights. And in Brooklyn Nine-Nine, there's no jokes about.
Yeah, I agree with you because in Brooklyn Nine-Nine there are actually special episodes to create awareness to these kind of topics that you've just mentioned. That's actually what I really much like about the series too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why do you like this show so much, Zeynep?
So I love Brooklyn Nine-Nine because I love all of the characters that inside of this sitcom. I think they're all so smartly written. So I really love to watch them. So Rukiye, I want to ask you why other people should watch this sitcom.
Okay, so that is actually a very good question. I know that Brooklyn Nine-Nine is one of the top best series entire the whole world. And we don't get to see sitcoms that high in that list because most of the time sitcoms people just prefer watching things with more serious events instead of watching sitcoms. But we can actually get to see Brooklyn Nine-Nine in very top lists. And it has very good jokes, and just like Zeynep and Sevinay said, all the characters are very well written, and they are trying to create awareness as much as possible. And I guess that is why, because it's a masterpiece, I would say.
Yeah, I agree. I think we should give the credits to Michael Schur because he also created The Office and Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Parks and Recreation,
The Good Place.
The Good Place. So he's a really brilliant writer and producer also. And since we started talking about Michael Schur, maybe we should start talking about The Office too.
Okay.
Like, it's my favorite TV show of all time. As I think everyone should watch The Office United States because there are so many beautiful messages inside of this show, especially like about friendship and being a family without any blood relation. What do you think about that?
Yeah, now that you've said it, I think that the fact that Michael Schur both wrote Brooklyn Nine-Nine and The Office is kind of sarcastic because even though they're very good masterpieces, Brooklyn Nine-Nine is always trying to create awareness and never makes jokes about racism or sexism. But The Office was built on those racist jokes, those racist sarcastic jokes. And even though the main character doesn't try to harm anyone, when he's trying to also create awareness about these bad topics, he ends up being the most racist or sexist guy that has ever existed.
Yeah.
He also chooses the wrong way.
He
Yes.
he always does this in the most wrong way ever.
So Michael Scott is a really sarcastic and I think iconic character. But when he left the show, I was crying.
When he left the show, I feel really empty.
After Michael Scott left, I thought that it's never gonna be the same. As a matter of fact, I stopped watching that show for a little short term, and after I keep watching it, I was like, okay, that's not that bad, and that's not like, of course, it didn't felt, but I was still having fun.
When Michael left, I also thought, quitting the series either. But I tried to give it a shot, and it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be because the other characters started to get more screen time, such as Kevin, Jim, and
Yeah.
Dwight. So yeah, it's still a good series to watch, but it was way better with Michael in
Yeah.
it.
That was a really good ending.
Okay, next, maybe we can talk about a really special one, Seinfeld. Like, I don't know if you guys know about this show, but it basically changed the whole sitcom history, and it's a really, really beautiful show.
It's a freaking milestone. I love it so much.
Exactly, yeah, milestone. And yeah, we always talk about Seinfeld, and you asked us what is it about, and we literally told you like it's about nothing.
Nothing. Yeah,
Nothing.
that's what it says. I mean, that's
Yeah.
how they explain it. It's about nothing. Okay, so who's your favorite character from Seinfeld, Zeynep?
My least favorite one is George. I mean, I might have been even hating him. Like, he's really annoying. But other than that, my favorite one probably would be like Kramer or Jerry. And I also know that people love Kramer because anytime that he comes to the stage, audience also always laughs. Like, and he's really amazing. Like, he's a little crazy, but he's my favorite character.
Yeah.
I believe.
There were a few episodes that audience just went crazy and started
Yeah.
clapping just because he showed up for the first time in that episode.
Yeah.
The thing that you said about George, I once remember that I've searched in Google to ask, is there actually anyone who loves George on Seinfeld? Because I was just looking for a reason why did the writers put him in this show.
It's a real life, like it's Jerry's real life, and they're reflecting Jerry Seinfeld's real life into the show. And I always like, who's this George in the real life? You know,
God, I
is it
know.
like Jerry's best friend, or is there really George person
I
in the
hope
real
not.
life?
Yeah, I would feel bad for Jerry.
Yeah,
Guys, we never talk about Friends.
yeah.
It's our favorites.
Not my favorite.
No, it's mine.
Yeah.
It's your first sitcom that you watched,
That
right?
is true. I
Yeah.
was 12 when I was watching Friends, and I didn't
Surprising.
understand most of the jokes.
Hmm.
That's why whenever the audience were laughing, I was laughing.
Yeah, it's really surprising that you watched Friends when
Yeah,
you were 12.
did you understand the jokes? You know,
No, I didn't understand the jokes at all. Also, I understood the English just a little, but it helped me improve my English so much.
So you were basically just watching 6 of the Friends, like their relationships, and nothing but jokes or references.
Exactly. Yeah, it was kind of sad.
If we make a survey or something, probably Ross will be the least favorite character
No, mine
of
is
the whole
Monica.
audience. Like,
Yeah. Or Rachel. I'm so sorry.
You
Yeah.
love the Monica, but I don't like she so much.
really?
Yeah, she's
Really?
really.
Oh my god.
Chandler has always pressure on him, like because of the Monica.
Yeah, she's too bossy.
Yeah, but she's so caring. She does all these things because she cares about that friend group. And you can't see this in too many shows, but they're really great character developments through first to the last season. Like each character has their own improvements, and it's amazing. Like you can see it specifically on Joey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like he becomes a man. Like
Exactly.
he becomes a man, and also Chandler, like Monica, and I don't know about Ross. He was always so selfish. But, I still love Ross, but least. Favorite.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you actually love Ross at all.
He drives me crazy.
I know.
He is so toxic
Yeah.
and selfish.
Self-involved, I would also
But
say.
Rachel is toxic too, I think. When
Not
they are
that
on a
much.
break. After the break, sorry. Like Ross cheated on her, and then why Rachel get back together? She will going through the same thing,
Yeah, but she explains why she was so mad because she was still in love with Ross. Maybe it was the reason that she got back together with Ross.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, they loved each other so much, but they weren't good for each other, in my opinion.
Yeah. But Joey and Rachel?
Oh god, that was like vomit. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, I hate that.
Yeah.
I want to say something about why people don't How I Met Your Mother, because when you spoiler alert, when you watch the last season of How I Met Your Mother, then it's the only thing that you can remember about that show. The last season was really bad, they shouldn't have done that. But through the whole series, they're really great episodes, and I realized this when I was really bored and wanted to just watch a really random episode of How I Met Your Mother. And I realized that it was really fun. It was really there were really great jokes inside of that episodes, and I love the characters, not all of them.
Yeah, but the ending is very important about a series.
Yeah, it's the when you talking about the series, you always talk about the last episodes. Always.
Exactly.
Why do you have a problem with Taylor Swift fans?
Because they're toxic. they're not normal.
One of my friends love Taylor Swift, and she has apps in the app there is some options about when she going to stage. You can guess her dresses and her songs. If you answer the questions, you can take the gifts like Taylor Swift t-shirts or objects about the Taylor Swift.
Because they're really overreacting.
I don't agree with you.
Did she do anything so useful? Did she create any amazing art? Not sure.
I like her songs though.
Yeah, me too.
Sorry, Zeynep.
Yeah.
Anyway,
let's wrap it up, guys.
Okay.
Thanks for inviting me.
Of course.
I'm so happy to be here. Yeah.
It's really nice to see you here.
Exactly.
You're
Thank
always
you.
so welcomed.
It's good
Thank
to see
you.
you here. Yeah.
So, see you guys.
Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.